Here is the next problem. In this we are going to use a Hanning window. Okay, in the previous problem we used of Hamming. Here we are going to use of Hanning window. In this case, here the cutoff frequency is given as pi by 4. Okay, and length is of 7. The equation is same what we taken in the previous. Again, same steps. Instead of going to use a Hamming window equation, here we are going to use of Hanning window. Okay, first we have to find what is hd of n. hd of n is equals to 1 by 2 pi minus pi to plus pi, or else what is the cutoff frequency, it's given, you can write of that. That is minus omega c to plus omega c hd e raised to j omega into e raised to j omega n into d omega. Next, substitute the what is hd of omega from the given equation. It's given as e raised to minus 3 j omega into e raised to j omega n. Next, if you solve, you will be getting as e raised to j omega n minus 3 into d omega. Again, apply the integration, you will be getting as 1 by 2 pi e raised to j omega n minus 3 divided by j into n minus 3 minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. If you solve, you will be getting as sin pi by 4 into n minus 3 divided by pi into n minus 3. Okay, for n is not equals to 3. When n is equals to 3, you will be getting as 1 by 4. Then write the equation separately. hd of n is equals to sin pi by 4 into n minus 3 divided by pi n minus 3 for n not equal to 3, and it is going to be 1 by 4 for n is equals to 3. In this case, we have to use of Hanning window. Hanning window is nothing but omega n is equals to 1 by 2 1 minus cos 2 pi n by m minus 1. If you solve, you will be getting as 1 by 2 1 minus cos pi n divided by 3. Just you have to substitute what is m value. M is 7. So if you substitute, you will be getting the result of this. Next, what you have to do? Just we have to go for finding of the h of n. h of n is nothing but hd of n into omega n. Okay, same. Next, you substitute to different values for n, then find out what is your h of n. You will be getting the result like this. Okay, this is what by using of a Hanning window. Next, here on a next problem. In this case, they have what they asked. We will see 7-point differentiator using of Hamming window. We are going to use here. The magnitude of the ideal differentiator is shown in the figure. This is a figure what's they given. We have what you have to find from this. We have to compute for FIR design, and also we have to plot magnitude response of FIR differentiator. Okay. In this, you just observe here, our signal is going to vary from 0 to pi 2 and 0 to minus pi. Okay. How, what the equation I can write from this? I can write as hd of n is equals to cos n pi divided by n for n not equals to 0 and 0 for n is equals to 0. Okay. Next, for asymmetric, the response for antisymmetric or asymmetric with respect to n is equals to 0, it can be written as, the equation is going to change. Remember here, if it is of antisymmetric, it's not a symmetric. If we observe the figure, we come across what is a symmetric and what is asymmetric in Signerson system. This is a asymmetric equation. When it is asymmetric equation, we have to use cos n pi by n. Okay. When it is symmetric, we are going to use a sin omega c n pi by pi into n minus 3. We can compare with the problems, you will understand of this. Okay. Then what is the changes is going for? Instead of n, we can write as n minus m minus 1 by 2. This is what the change it's going for. Okay. Then divide by n minus m minus 1 divided by 2. where n is not equals to m minus 1 by 2, where n is equals to m minus 1 by 2, it is going to be 0. You have to remember this equation, keep that in mind for this problem. Next, after getting the equation, substitute for m is equals to 7, you will be getting as cos pi n minus 3 divided by n minus 3 for n is not equals to 3 and n is equals to 3. Then use of your Hamming-Wade equation, that is omega n is equals to 0.54 minus 0.46 cos 2 pi n divided by m minus 1. Substitute for m, you will be getting this equation. Next, simple method, we have to find what is our h of n. We have to multiply hd of n with the omega n. hd of n, you have to substitute for n is equal to 0 in this equation and then n is equals to 0 in omega n equation. Then you will be getting as 0.33 and 0.08. When you multiply both, you will be getting the 0.02667. Next, again 1, again in hd of n, again in omega n. Again for 2, 3, go on substituting, you will be getting the result of this. Then to plot magnitude response, here is the equation, that is already remember this equation. Magnitude response means h of m minus 1 by 2 plus 2 summation n is equals to 0 to m minus 3 by 2 h of n cos omega n minus m minus 1 by 2 h of 3 plus 2 h of 2 summation n is equal to 0 to 2 h of n cos omega n minus 3. Here also you have to substitute for extend the equation, substitute h of below 0 and 2 as the solution we got from that. Okay, then if I plot the based on this equation, you will be getting the graph like this. This is what a plot of a magnitude response for FIR differentiator. This is how you have to solve the problem.